Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, your home for creative DIY projects, woodworking ideas, and inspiring home decor designs. In this video, we're diving into creative wood furniture and decorative wooden pieces that can add warmth, texture, and personality to any space. Whether you love rustic charm, modern design, or eco-friendly creations, you'll find something here that sparks your imagination. Wood has a timeless beauty. It fits in every style, farmhouse, modern, boho, or classic, and it's surprisingly easy to work with. Even with basic tools and a bit of patience, you can create amazing furniture and decorations that look store-bought but cost very little. Let's start with 1. Wooden coffee tables. A handmade wooden table instantly becomes the centerpiece of any living room. Use reclaimed wood for a rustic look or smooth planks for a modern design. Add metal legs for an industrial style, or coat it with epoxy resin for a glossy, elegant finish. Next, 2. Floating wooden shelves. They're simple, practical, and stylish. Perfect for displaying plants, books, or candles, and they can be customized to fit any space. Use light wood for a clean, Scandinavian look or dark wood for a cozy atmosphere. Wooden wall art is another beautiful project. Use small wood pieces to create patterns or geometric shapes. Paint them in matching colors or leave them natural. You can also try wood-burning designs or inspirational quotes to make your own statement decor. Up next is 4. Wooden plant stands. Plants and wood always go well together. Build a simple stand using leftover wood pieces or create multi-level displays for your indoor garden. They look great in living rooms, balconies, or entryways. Now let's talk about 5. DIY headboards. A custom wooden headboard can completely transform your bedroom. You can stain it for a rustic finish, paint it white for a minimalist look, or add lights for a cozy touch. It's an easy upgrade that adds both comfort and style. Moving on to 6. Wooden candle holders. These small projects are quick to make and perfect for beginners. Use small blocks or branches, drill holes for candles, and decorate with simple carvings or paint. They create a warm, relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for evenings. Next, 7. Wooden trays and organizers. You can use them in the kitchen, bathroom, or on your desk. Add small handles or dividers to make them even more functional. Simple, elegant, and always useful. Finally, 8. Personalized wooden gifts. Wood makes every gift more meaningful. Engrave names, dates, or quotes on small boxes, picture frames, or keychains. They're heartfelt, creative, and perfect for any occasion. So there you have it, beautiful, creative wooden furniture and decor ideas that anyone can make. You don't need a full workshop or advanced skills, just creativity, patience, and a love for handmade design. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Craft Catalog for more inspiring woodworking and DIY projects. We upload new videos every few days, so there's always something new to create. Thanks for watching, and remember, creativity starts with your hands and imagination.